Have you ever stood by a river and just watched it flow? There's something mesmerizing about it, isn't there? The constant movement, the journey from a tiny source to a vast ocean. This powerful image is used throughout history and scripture to describe the very essence of life. Let's explore this beautiful metaphor. The river of life. Our story begins in a perfect Garden Eden. A river flowed from there, splitting into 4 headwaters, watering the entire land. This wasn't just any river, it was the source of all life, a symbol of God's abundant provision and blessing. It represented a world in perfect harmony, a direct connection to the Creator. Imagine that pure, untouched stream. That's where humanity's journey started. But as we know, the story didn't stay in Eden. Humanity's path took a turn, and we found ourselves in a spiritual desert, thirsting for that life-giving water. The prophets spoke of this thirst, foretelling a day when water would flow in the wasteland, when the thirsty would be invited to come and drink freely. This wasn't just about physical water. It was a deep spiritual longing for renewal and connection. Then Jesus arrives and makes an incredible declaration. He stands and says, "Let anyone who is thirsty come to me and drink. Whoever believes in me, as Scripture has said, rivers of living water will flow from within them." Suddenly, the river isn't just an external source. It becomes an internal, ever-flowing spring. He offers not just a sip, but a river of life, hope, and renewal that flows from within us through faith. It's a promise to quench our deepest spiritual thirst. This journey leads us to the final chapter, a breathtaking vision of the future. The book of Revelation describes a new heaven and a new earth, and at its heart is the river of the water of life, as clear as crystal, flowing from the throne of God. On each side of the river stands the tree of life. This is the ultimate destination, a return to the source, but even more glorious. No more thirst, no more sorrow, just an eternal flow of life and peace. From the stream in Eden to the mighty river in eternity, this incredible metaphor shows us a story of redemption. It's a reminder that even when we feel like we're in a desert, there's a river of living water available to us, a promise that our journey is leading to a beautiful, eternal destination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reflections.